Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mowli, and in this video I will be sharing my Write This look I'm already in, and it's going to be a purple fall makeup look. As you can see, it has a lot of purple into it, purple lips, purple eyes and whatnot, and also a very nice contoured face right now I have, because right now I have double chin, so I just need to hide those, So yes, without further ado, if you want to know that how I have got this look, then please keep on watching.
Using a primer, this is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Recently I'm loving this. After that I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte foundation. It costs only 499 rupees and it's a very nice, a dewy finish foundation with buildable coverage. So firstly it gives medium coverage, as you can see. After that, to highlight my under eye, here I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I'm in the shade 25 medium. I'm placing on the bridge of my nose and on my chin area and wherever I need to highlight, like my mouth area as well. And again I'm blending that concealer with the same beauty blender which I have used to blend my foundation. For contouring, here I am taking this Miss Rose contour palette and I have taken a flat shader brush. Firstly, I am placing the contouring in the shape of 3 on my face, and after that I am doing a little bit of nose contouring, blending the contouring on upward direction on my jawline and as well as on my chin area, and I'm blending the contouring on my nose area on the outer motion. I'm not going inward motion, I'm going with outward motion, as you can see. And for my forehead area I'm going outside. To make my contour look more sharpened, here I am using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It is not right now available in India, so I think I will not be able to give you this link. After that I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 blush. It's a beautiful pink blush, but it will look very nice on the fairer skin tone. After that I'm using this pack highlighter in the shade 04 Stellar. It's a master glow highlighter. I'm placing this on my usual places like apple of the cheeks, cupid's bow, bridge of the nose and starting point of my eyebrows. And after that I'm filling in my eyebrows with the help of the Mars eyebrow palette. I have taken both of the shade, which is the black and brown, and I have created my customized shade, and I'm just filling my sparse areas and I'm just shaping my eyebrows. After that I'm taking this Physicians Formula Tropical eyeshadow palette and I have picked up this very nice orangey brick shade. It's a very beautiful shade with a fluffy blending brush and I have placed it with on my crease. After that I am taking this very nice purple shade. It's not that much pigmented. I am very disappointed with this shade, to be very honest. I had to work a lot to blend this particular one. I have taken the shade with a flat shader brush, but after that I picked up this shade with the help of my fingertips to place this color, but it was too tough to place this particular one. I'm placing the same color on my lower lash line as well. To highlight my inner corner, here I'm taking a pencil brush and I have picked up this golden highlighting shade, and I also highlighted my brow bone. For mascara, here I am using the Lakme Flutter Secrets mascara. It's a volumizing mascara and the clip of my lipstick has been removed by me accidentally, so I'm really sorry for that, guys. And I will be putting the link of the particular shade in my description box, so please make sure that you check that out. So yes, with that my final finish look is here for you guys.
So this is my final finished look for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed while watching this video. All the products I have used in this video, all are linked in the description box, so make sure you check those out. And yes, it's time to sign off, but before skipping this video, if you find this video helpful and enjoyable, then please do not forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get the notification of that and you will get to see the video first. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Until you meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful, and most importantly, stay home, stay safe. Bye.